morning, seawolves. My name is Mia.
And I'm Darina.
And today we are going to update you on the high school girls volleyball team and how their season has been going.
These girls have continued to work their behinds off at every practice, and it really shows how determined they are.
Yeah, it really does. They have been doing really well in showing their good sportsmanship at all of their games. One of their first games they had for the season, they played against Epic High School South. They ended that game with an amazing score of 25 to 9 points, which landed them with the win in that game, which was 2 months ago.
Wow, it looks like they entered the season with a bang, and it's amazing to see them show charged behavior at all times, in school and off the court.
Leading into a month ahead, they played against Queens Gateway to Health and Science. The score for that was 29 to 19 points, which again leaves them with the win, and they continue with good sportsmanship.
Leading to some of their more recent games, about 3 weeks ago, they played against Energy Tech High School, and our Seawolves left with a win, and still on a roll, with a score of 25 to 19 points.
They're really amazing.
Yes, their practice and passion are really paying off. Now into one of their more recent games, which is 2 weeks ago, they played against West End High School, and drum roll please, 25 to 19 points, which once again gives them a win, and they really deserve it.
They did amazing. They never stopped winning. The high school volleyball team works so hard and always shows charged behavior. As long as they maintain this behavior, they will win every game. All in all, they have just been so good and hardworking. They've been having so much fun, leading them to win the championship. They did so well, they won every single quarter.
Yes, I'm so happy. I knew they could do it. If you want to check out our games for real, then you can go to our YouTube.
We hope you enjoyed this news report. Please come back the next time you want to know more about the Scholars volleyball team.
I'm Darina.
I'm Mia.
And we are done. Now you are informed about what the Scholars Academy High School volleyball team has been up to.